Hey there. Today we are talking about session storage in JavaScript, a quick way to store data temporarily in your browser. It's like writing notes on a whiteboard during class, helpful for the moment, but wiped clean when class ends. Session storage is a part of the browser's built-in web storage API. It lets you store key value data only for the current browser tab or window. The key thing, it automatically disappears when the user closes the tab or window. Think of it like a whiteboard in a class. You write on it while the class is in session, but when class is over, it's wiped clean. This means session storage perfect for temporary form data, tab specific themes or short-term tokens while a session is active. Here's a quick example. Use session storage.setItem to store a score and getItem to retrieve it. The data is stored as string and will automatically vanish when the tab closes. Super helpful for short lived data.